Let's go on to the pre-market movers and levels.
Okay, well, I picked on a couple of things that caught my eye from Friday's session. Vale, V-A-L-E, the Brazilian miner, €4.75 down 0.84% pre-market. But the reason I focus on this is because they're easier after the China data. They had a poor session on Friday. They were down 2.39% in a market that was generally going higher. And then Twitter, TWTR in the US, $31.33, up around 0.6%. However, they rallied by about 4.85% on Friday afternoon as Steve Ballmer, the former CEO of Microsoft, disclosed a 4% stake in the company. It could just be that it's sitting there for his investment portfolio, or he might have bigger designs on the company. It's roughly got a market cap of about $21 billion. He obviously knows plenty of rich people and is not a poor man in his own right. So watch this space. I think is
very interesting indeed, intriguing.
Indeed, and in terms of market levels, not too much in the way of change from Friday's levels. In the FTSE, 63.60 on the downside, plays 64.30 to the upside. For the DAX, we're at 10,084 on the downside, playing 10,200 to the upside. S&P back above its 200-day EMA as of Friday's close, but we watched 2010 on the downside, plays 2030 to the upside. And as far as the Dow is concerned, we're at 17,107 on the downside, plays 17,220 to the upside. As we said, the market seems to have largely shrugged off the China data, so there's not that much to talk about currency-wise. 113.27 on the downside now for Euro US dollar, plays 113.80 to the upside.
That has dipped. I mean, it's almost as if they sort of feel there might be something on Thursday. That's a sort of that was the feeling I'm getting, but maybe I'm alone in that type of
the dollar does appear to reassert a little bit of control there, and you would, if you assume that they're going to expand the program on 30, you would expect to see a bit of euro weakness. Aussie dollar, US dollar, no great shakes there. Back below the 73 handle for the minute, 72.65 to the downside, plays 73.02 to the upside. I believe I'm right in saying we've got the Reserve Bank of Australia minutes out tomorrow morning, so that may move that again. And Goldman's have also said in a piece over the weekend that El Nino could cause a prolonged drought in Australia, which could take GDP back below 2%. So that's something to think about going forward. Dollar yen, 118.95 on the downside, plays 119.52 to the upside. Again, pretty static. Cable flirting with flirting towards that 155 handle, 154.25 the downside level, plays 154.85 to the upside at the moment.